Hola, buenos días. Mi nombre es Ian Carlo y soy de BSED 2A. And I'm here to give a tutorial about interrogatives pronouns in Spanish. Interrogatives is a word or sentence used when asking a question, like the example, who and why are interrogatives. The interrogatives is the form of a sentence that is used for asking questions. Vale, comencemos! First is on how to ask questions in Spanish that can be answered yes or no. Comprendido? In writing, just put question marks around the statement you want to answer. But in speaking, raise the pitch of your voice at the end of the question. Here are some examples with question marks and without. For statement, hablan Ingles or they speak English. Number 2, te gusta bailar or you like to dance. For question marks, hablan Ingles or do they speak English? And for second is te gusta bailar or do you like dance? Just listen to the difference between the statement and to the question in an example. In the statement example, my voice was normal to pronounce the sentence. And in the question example, my voice raised the pitch at the end of the sentence. And these are some of the question words you use while asking questions. ¿Qué? ¿Para qué? ¿Por qué? ¿Cómo? ¿Cuándo? ¿Dónde? ¿Quién? ¿Quiénes? And these are some examples questions. ¿Qué hora es? Or what time is it? ¿Para qué lo necesitas? Or what do you need it for? ¿Por qué lloras? Or why are you crying? ¿Cómo estás? How are you? ¿Cuándo regresan? Or when are they coming back? And ¿dónde vive? Where does she live? And ¿quién es ellas? Or who is she? And for last is ¿quiénes son ellos? Or who are they? Y ese es el final de nuestro video. Muchas gracias.